Hello guys, today I will guide you through using Monday.com as a complete beginner. Whether you're managing projects, handling CRM, or organizing software development, Monday.com can help you stay on the top of things. Let's start by going to Monday.com. After you navigate to Monday.com, you will land on your dashboard. It's a popular project management tool that lets you create workspaces, add team members, and manage tasks efficiently. You can even use it for software development, design projects, or CRM regardless of your niche. To begin, let's just head to Monday.com and click on Get Started. You'll be happy to know that it offers a free version, no credit card required, and you can sign up using your email or your Google account. Once you've signed in, you will land on the main dashboard. Now, let me walk you through setting up a workspace. When you first start, you will have a default workspace, but you can easily create your own. Let's do that now. Click on this three-dotted icon just after I start from scratch and select Add New Workspace. Give your workspace a name. For instance, I will name it Project Central. Now you'll have to decide whether you want its privacy to be opened or closed. Now, after selecting the privacy, click on Add Workspace. Now you can even add a logo or icon to your workspace. And in order to do that, click on this edit icon just after this logo. You can choose a background color for your logo. You can select an icon or click on upload your own and select a logo file from your device. But we are going to skip that for now. As you can see, with just one click, our workspace is ready. Now let's create boards within our workspace. So boards are where you'll track different aspects of your projects, such as tasks, deadlines, and more. To create a board, click on this plus icon, that is add item to workspace, and choose board. You can select whether you want a new board, or you can also start a board with a template. So we'll click on new board. Once the board is created, you can add different views to visualize your tasks. By default, Monday.com shows you a table view, but I prefer a Kanban view, which is more like a board with columns that represents stages of a project. Let's add the Kanban view by clicking on this plus icon, that is add view icon. Now select Kanban. You can also add other views like Gantt charts or cards for tracking progress. Now that we have added our views, let's move on to inviting team members. To invite other, click on the invite button at the top right. Now enter your teammate's email address in this area and select invite a new member by email. Now click on invite as member, and as you can see, I just added this email and invited this person to join my board. Once they accept, you will see their names on the board. Monday.com also offers integration with tools like Gmail, Slack, MailChimp, and many more. If you're using CRM, you can integrate your CRM platform to make your workflow even smoother by clicking on the automate button and choosing an automation for your board. As you can see, we have Google, Gmail, Calendar, Outlook, Slack, Zoom, and much more. So you can create automations and explore connections and automations from these templates. You can also click on add custom automation and create your own automation on your board. Now we'll navigate to our main table, and I will show you how to create an item within a board. Let's start with our first group and name it Week 1 Tasks. Then under that group, we'll create our first item, which we'll call Task 1. So click on this item 1 and name it Task 1. Now the field's name has been updated. Now you can assign this task to any team member by clicking on the plus icon just after person and selecting that person's name. And as you can see, I just added 2 person for this task. I will click on this again and remove a person from this task. Now this is the only person who is responsible for this task. You can assign it to any team member by clicking the assign button and selecting the person from the list. You can also manage statuses for each task. For instance, I can mark this task as working on it by clicking here and selecting working on it. I can select it again and select stuck if the task is not done. And if it's done, I will select done here. As you can see, this task has been marked as done. You can select the status of each and every task by selecting the status column. Once a team member finishes a task, they can update its status to done and I will get notified. To add more context to tasks, you can upload files, set due dates, or even add priority tables to show whether a task is high, medium, or low priority. Now, in order to set a date, you can click on this date section and choose a date for this calendar. Now this task's due date will be changed to whatever date you are going to choose here. You can click on this plus add column and choose another column for your task. For example, if you would want a column that is, for example, files, now any person will be able to add or manage files for this task by clicking on plus icon under files, and he can choose from computer, from webcam, from doc, link, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive and SharePoint. If I click on from computer and select this file, for example, now as you can see, I'm adding this file to my task. Now this task is assigned to this person. Its status is done. Its due date is 28th September. The file for this task is here. You can also click on add column again and choose more columns and add any kind of column to your task accordingly. Monday.com also allows you to set up automations. For example, you can automate notification to alert team members when deadlines are approaching or when tasks status changes. Click on automate, click on add custom automation. Now choose when this happens, and in this you'll have to choose the trigger element, then choose the action element and create automation. It is pretty easy. With all these features, Monday.com proves a powerful tool to keeping your team organized. You can also switch between different workspaces if you're managing multiple projects or clients. Click on this small drop-down icon and click on add workspace, or just select another workspace from this and you'll be able to add another workspace or switch to it just by clicking here. Click on workspace, click on add workspace, select a new workspace, choose its privacy, click on add workspace, and you'll be now able to switch between 3 workspaces. This also helps a lot. Additionally, the platform offers a marketplace where you can find extra apps and features. So this is Monday.com's marketplace. You can search for any kind of app that you want for your workspace and click on the app. Now click on install app. This will install this application instantly on your workspace. Click on install again. Now cut this out and you will see your app appearing in your Monday.com. You can also click on Monday.com, navigate to My Profile from this section. You can import data, select automations. You can navigate to developers and the trash elements from your workspace. You can navigate to archive, administration, teams, or you can log out from this account. You can also click on switch accounts and choose another account from your Monday.com's dashboard. You can click on invite members to invite them. You can upgrade to a plan. You can select change theme and choose another theme for your Monday.com. As you can see, I just added this dark theme. You can add night theme. You can set your working status as do not disturb, as on or off. You can click on more and you have the working from home, out sick, on break, out of office, working outside, family time, and all these working statuses for your status. So that's a brief overview of how to use Monday.com for managing projects and CRM. It's user-friendly, highly customizable, and packed with features that can help streamline your work. I hope this beginner's tutorial helped you get started with Monday.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.